Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another gaming mouse from EWEADN. This is the S9 V2 gaming mouse. It's an esports grade gaming mouse. It comes with all the bells and whistles like 8000 Hz pulling rate, super lightweight, stuff like that. This is the box for it. As you can see, we can see the mouse here on the front. It's white, and on the bottom we have some manufacturer's information, and on the side we have some specs. So flagship sensor, lightweight, eye skin feeling, and high pulling rate. I think it has about 8000 Hertz of pulling rate, which is absolutely amazing. 8 kilohertz. Obviously you need to have a good CPU for it to support that, because using so much pulling rate, it will put a strain on your CPU. But if you got a flagship CPU, it won't be any problem with it. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what to get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So let's start with the small stuff first. They included like a quick setup guide. It's in Mandarin, but pretty much it shows some numbers in English as well. So it will tell you how to change the DPI, how to change the pulling rate, and so on and so forth, what each button does. You can also scan these QR codes. It will send you to their website, and you can probably get an English version of the manual. We have a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is to either charge the mouse or use it with this wireless adapter. Basically plug the USB Type C right here in this USB Type C port. So this end of the cable, and this other end you plug it into your PC, and basically the mouse will have a wireless connectivity from the mouse to this device right here. We have some pre-cut mouse grips for the sides and the buttons on the buttons, the top buttons, the clicks, and we have some pre-cut skates. The skates are right here on the bottom. Obviously you have to peel them off. And if we have a look at the mouse right now, we have a switch right here on the right side. You can switch between off, 2.4 gigahertz, and Bluetooth. With Bluetooth you can connect to multiple devices, and I think you can switch between them. Have a DPI button right here. You can press it and it will switch between the preset DPI modes, but you can also change that. And we have the side buttons right here, which have a really good clicky feel to it. Have the main clicks, right click and left click, and the scroll wheel, which feels absolutely great. It has a bit of silicone on it, so it's grippy. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the mouse. This is how it looks. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and set it up next to our PC, so you guys can get an idea how it looks next to the setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the mouse looks like when it's fully set up. I'm using it in wireless mode. So to do that, as I said, connect the USB Type A to your device and the USB Type C to the dongle. The dongle has some RGB. I don't know if you guys can see it well because I'm using lights to film. But the dongle has some RGB. Obviously, I'm keeping the cable coiled right now because I'm not going to be using the mouse. But you can extend it and place it basically anywhere. The dongle has rubber grips on the back, so it won't go anywhere once it's placed on the desk, and it looks really, really nice. The mouse itself feels really good in the hand. I played some Minecraft with it actually. As you can see, it's super responsive, and the clicks are super satisfying. I absolutely love how it feels and how it sounds, basically everything, even the side buttons. It sounds absolutely amazing. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. You can also check their website out. They have many other gaming peripherals. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.